OneXpress, a single integrated solution featuring phase-appropriate technologies and expertise from development to commercialization. The oral drug development path is lengthy and complex. As a project scales up, companies lose valuable time in searching for the right partners, with both expertise and capacity best suited for each stage in the development cycle. Working with a single partner that has the right expertise, specialized technologies, and flexible scale can reduce risks, shorten timelines, and simplify the path from clinical to launch. Catalent's OneXpress provides your molecule the fastest pathway from clinical to commercial manufacturing. By taking a proactive approach and assessing production considerations early in development, our teams help you reduce risks by working in parallel to address potential roadblocks and ensure robust processes from early to late phases. The harmonization of quality systems, processes, and equipment across the Catalent network eliminates the need to revalidate methods, repeat qualifications and trainings. By removing duplicated procedures, costly API is conserved, and timelines can be shortened by up to 12 weeks. By leveraging phase-appropriate expertise and technologies, Catalent's OneXpress is the optimal solution to simplify, de-risk, and accelerate your program on the road to driving successful treatments to patients faster. Catalent, more products, better treatments, reliably supplied.